Welcome to PSB Academy. My name is Kay and I'm the Program Consultant. Today, I'll be your guide. Okay, let's go. Our beginnings trace back to 1964 in Singapore. Today, we host over 12,000 students from 15 nationalities with our slate of certificate, diploma, degree, and short courses. Hey Sarah, over here! PSB Academy has two campuses in Singapore. The City campus is located here at Marina Square, while the STEM campus is located at Jetson Square, Toa Payoh. Firstly, the School of Foundation Study offers programs that are designed to get young students started in their education journey in PSB Academy. If your heart is set in the future of accounting and finance, human resource, marketing, digital media and communications, you can use the courses in PSB Academy as a head start to start your journey. Notably, we also work with industry partners such as NAS Academy, FinTech Academy, and the Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport, Singapore. Next, located at our STEM campus is the School of Engineering and Technology. The specializations we offer ranges from mechanical and electrical engineering, environmental and occupational health and safety, to information technology, blockchain and cybersecurity, catering to various key areas of interest within the engineering and technology industry.
Yay!
Okay, shall we move on? The School of Life and Physical Sciences prepares students to become dynamic and innovative members of a global scientific community that creates the basis of mankind's future. The School of Postgraduate Studies offers a comprehensive selection of MBAs, specialized master's degrees, doctoral degrees, and more. Oh yes! Introducing Digital Academy! PSB Academy's Digital Academy provides students with access to e-learning certificate and diploma courses that help chart their path to a degree from our university partners. So, what do you think of PSB Academy?
Wow! It's just like a dream!
No matter what your choice is at the end of the day, you can see a world of possibilities at PSB Academy.